Hello, bachcho. Let's read the question. The question says the molecule having the largest bond angle is water, H2S, hydrogen selenide, and hydrogen telluride. ठीक है? So let's do the question. Bachcho, let's write down the structure of the species. In water, it is bent structure. ठीक है? With two lone pair of electrons over the central atom. In H2S, same structure with same number of lone pairs. ठीक है? So in all these cases, oxygen, sulfur, selenium and tellurium, they are belonging to same family, है ना? Oxygen family, and their structure are same. ठीक है? So this is the structure. So बच्चों, when the molecules are having both bond pair and lone pairs, their bond angle can be compared by the electronegativity of the central atom. Electronegativity of central atom. ठीक है बच्चों? And what is the concept behind that? See, here oxygen is having highly electronegative. If you see oxygen, sulfur, selenium and tellurium, down the group क्या होता है? Electronegativity decreases. So बच्चों यहाँ पे oxygen is highly electronegative. So what happens? The bond pair of electrons are more attracted towards oxygen. ठीक है? और यहाँ पे at the central atom electron की density क्या होता है? Increase होता है. ठीक है? Due to the high electronegativity of the central atom, electron density increases near the central atom, and due to that the repulsion between the bond pair, ठीक है, यहाँ पे जो bond pair repulsion है that increases. ठीक है, bond pair repulsion increases, and that leads to increase in the bond length. As you go down the group, what happens? Electronegativity decreases, and therefore the electron density near the central atom gradually decreases, and therefore repulsion decreases between the bond pair. यहाँ पे जो bond pair है, यहाँ पे repulsion क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों? Repulsion will gradually decreases, and therefore the bond angle also decreases. ठीक है, so down the group in these hydrides, bond angle decreases with decrease in electronegativity. So largest bond angle कहाँ पे होगा? It is in water. So the correct option is E. I hope you understood well. Best of luck.